Okay, so now we've created the course, we've linked it, then we've gone in as a student, and we've completed an assignment. So I'm going to walk you through the process now of taking the Connect grades and sending those over to the Canvas gradebook. So I'm in my instructor account, and I just click on Modules, and then get into Connect. All right. And once I get in, I'm going to be notified in two different ways, or there are two different ways rather that I can go and sync the grades. So I go into my Connect course, and down under Section Performance, now I've got an option that says View Grade Sync List. Or I can click Reports and then View Gradebook Sync List. And the way that I sync the grades is by clicking this button to select everything, or you can individually select grades. Since it doesn't duplicate columns, I always just select the top checkbox because it highlights all of the assignments. And then you select which attempt you'd like to send over. Is it average, last, or best? I'm going to click last. And then you just click sync. It lets you know that it's syncing, and it changes to in progress. So there are a couple different icons. If for some reason the gradebook sync fails, you'll see the little red exclamation point, and that usually means that you have a connectivity issue, which I had when I recorded this the first time. Or you're going to get the green check mark, which means everything's been synced and it's up to date. The yellow check mark means at one point it was up to date, but now some students have submitted new assignments that need to be synced up. And then there's a little black or gray circle that says never synced, and that lets you know that you have to send a new item over. So this typically is going to take between 1 and 5 minutes to matriculate over to the Canvas gradebook. It's done on a queue. So basically the gradebook sync just goes from school to school. It doesn't matter if you've got 1 grade or 5,000 grades, it's going to take them all. It's the same amount of time. It's just dependent on when it gets to you in the line. So I'm going to pause and wait for this to sync over, and as soon as it does, I will show you the Canvas gradebook so we can see what it looks like. Okay, so I fast forward just a bit, and now I'm in the Canvas shell again, and I'm going to show you what the grades look like. Alright, so now when I come into the gradebook, you'll see that I've got my assignment column, and I got my 30 points here for the student Mark Twain, and that goes right into your gradebook. So that's the process. Doesn't do exactly what I think you'd like it to, because we can't completely disaggregate everything because it lives on our Connect server. But as far as making the two systems talk to each other, this is our level of integration for Canvas currently. All right, I hope that clears things up, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks.